Hey, we're on location today, and I just happened to notice that this house has two wind turbines on it, which I'm a big fan of. This house has also two turbines, but also two box vents that are for the attic. The difference between these two, this one is a Lamanco, and it's spinning. They will spin with a 2-mile-an-hour wind, and it's probably 4 or 5 miles an hour out here. The other one, it just started, but they were not spinning at all. Now they're just kind of barely spinning. So that's the difference between getting the right wind turbine on your house, the Lamanco Whirlybirds that we use, and something that, maybe the big box stores sell. That's probably a steel one, looks nice, painted up, but it's just not working like it's supposed to. Why have second best when you can have the best? So give us a call if you need help with your ventilation, 402-306-5834. Thanks a lot. Bye.